Thank you for choosing IS Talk, the voiceover solution from IS Technologies. Today, we will be walking you through the initial setup of your phone. Your model may vary slightly, but the process will be similar. Inside the box, you will find the phone, the handset receiver, one handset cord, one Ethernet cable, a power supply, the phone base, and the user guide. Let's take a closer look at the back of the phone. From left to right, you will find the expansion console port, which is only used for some clients, the PC port, the Internet port, the power port, which is used with some models, the headset port, and the handset port. The base is adjustable. You can pop it to the right or left, depending on how you're holding it. You just slide it in and slide it back. Pretty straightforward on how to adjust the pitch of the phone. Before setting your phone up, save any open files, because your computer will be temporarily disconnected from the Internet. To set up the phone, connect one end of the handset cable to the handset port on the back of the phone, and the other end to the handset if it isn't already connected. Locate the Ethernet cable that connects your computer to the wall outlet. Disconnect the cable from the wall outlet and connect this to the PC port on the back of the phone. Take the Ethernet cable that we provided and connect one end into the Internet port on the back of the phone, and the other end into the empty wall outlet, where you disconnected the Ethernet cable. Once these cables are connected, you can then connect the power supply to the wall and to the power port on the back of the phone. As soon as the phone is connected to power, it will power on and begin initializing setup. First, your screen will display "Welcome." You'll then see a notice asking if you wish to initialize the phone and a countdown. Let the timer expire and do not click OK. The phone will initialize automatically. This process should take about a minute to a minute and a half and will conclude by displaying the correct time and date. Wait an additional 15 seconds before testing your phone. To test for a proper connection after the initial setup, press the message button. If you see a request to enter your personal identification number, then your setup is correct. Once this message is heard, press X to disconnect this call. You're successfully connected to our server, and your setup is complete. If you need additional support, you may send an email to support@is-talk.com or visit us online at is-talk.com and click the support button. You'll get a response showing a job ticket has been created. One of our friendly support agents will be in touch with you promptly.